Hello, hello angels, this is Samantha Satan back with another little review tutorial video. Yes! We're gonna be looking at palette 5 once again because, I mean, it's just so gorgeous. Look at it! Look at it! We have played with all the colors from Brilliant to Vintage. Close enough. So today we're gonna play with Sarcastic. So let's prime our eyes with a little bit of eye primer from Younique. Easy. Now we know that this is a red pinky color, so I'm gonna go into Addiction 3 and just play around with this color here, Tickle. We're just gonna put this in the crease and see how that goes. I feel like there's times I'm just like, oh, I put one product on and I'm happy. I can leave the house now, bye. That wouldn't be a fun tutorial, now would it? So let us now use a finger and dip right into that color, Sarcastic. I'm just gonna do a little bit first, just to see. Yep, that's pretty. And then we'll do just a little bit of blending. And now we need a little bit of highlight, so let's go into Addiction Palette 4 and go into Tender. I love her. I love her so much. Hook a little bit in here, reinforce a little bit right there, pop the Younique precision liner into the eyeball. Go in with a liquid liner next and do just a really thin little line. Oh, she's cute! She's cute! Alright, so now let's take a little angled brush like so and take a little bit of a black powder. I'm going to use Irate from palette 3. Let's set this little eye gig we got going on. Make sure it's very light and blended. I'm going back in with this fluffy brush, whatever product it still has on here. And then I'm just going to blend like so. Just a little bit, you don't need a whole lot. And then to end, just a little bit of mascara. For lips, I'm going to use this pencil from Younique. I'm going to go over this with a little liquid lipstick from e.l.f. Now I'm going to go over this with a little bit of gloss because that e.l.f. is really drying. Alright, and there is the final look for today. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. For now, feel free to like, feel free to comment down below, even subscribe if you're really into it. But for now, I just want you to have a wonderful, splendiferous day. Love you, angels. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Mwah.